I look like a virgin. तो मैंने कर्ल करने का सोचा. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are doing great. You can see my hair, they're looking fabulous. At least for me, I love them today, but there are a lot of struggle behind it to create my hair like this. If you want to know all the struggle that I had to face creating my hair like this, keep on watching. So today I am gonna try out this curler to my entire hair. ऐसे तो ये मेरे पास बहुत पहले से है, but मैंने अपने entire hair पे curl नहीं किया. So this is the first time I tried, and I need not to say anything. I already feel like I am brave, if you know what I mean. So yeah, if you want to know how to create this volumized chopsticks curl on your own, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video. Hi, so for today's curling process we're going to use this curler, as you can see out here. So this one is by Havells. So if you have seen my Amazon haul now, there I've mentioned about it. I've ordered it from Amazon and it was for rupees 1700. So for more details or more products from Amazon which are really good and you should be trying, you guys can check my haul out here. And I have some amazing home decor item that I bought from Amazon in a very affordable price, so you guys can check it out here. So today I'm gonna curl my entire hair with this one. Like I say, आधा आधा करती हूँ शूट के लिए, but पूरा कभी नहीं किया है. So this is the first time. तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर first time है तो शूट करते हैं, रिएक्शन भी और रिजल्ट कैसा होता है, how this curler performs. ऐसे तो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है, फिर भी I just want you all to see कि how amazing this product is and I really love it. As you can see, ये ऑन हो चुका है. ये मैं थोड़ा 5 से 10 सेकेंड्स को हीट होने दूंगी so that it can like perform nice. And before that I'll be applying this L'Oreal serum. It acts as an heat protector. So I'll be taking thoda sa, like 2 pumps of it, and then massage it, heat it up like this, and then apply it to my hair so that it can protect my hair, because I am gonna apply heat to my hair, so I don't want them to get damaged. So I'll just apply it to the tip of my hair to give a layer of protection. And brush your hair through so that there isn't any tangle. So now I'll be like sectioning my hair so that the curling process becomes easier. That you have, I'm using a brush because I currently have brush with me. So इतना सा portion मैंने रखा है, so I'll divide it in sections like this. I will not be taking बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा मोटा because I want tight curls. So I'll be taking it and wrap it. Hold it there for like 5 seconds, and then now I'm just gonna like see. So this is how your curls going to be, very tight. So gonna take दूसरा section, सुलझा लूँगी पहले, and then gonna repeat the same process. I would suggest you to use gloves, otherwise you might end up like burning your hair. मतलब मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. 5 seconds and then gonna so can you see the difference? ये वाले में मैंने थोड़ा सा मोटा सेक्शन लिया था, so the curl has become like this. ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पतला लिया था, so ये बहुत टाइट हुए हैं. So this is the difference. So this is how the curls is going to be. So मैं एक एक करके ये पूरा कर लूँगी and fast forward करते हैं ना. this is the curl. I kept it for 10 seconds instead of 5 seconds, so you can see how beautiful the curls is. So it depends on you कितना time आप रखते हो, कितना मोटा strand आप लेते हो. So I personally love ऐसा वाला, so I'll be doing curls like this. हाथ दर्द हो जाता है सच में. I really like it. दोनों साइड के थोड़े थोड़े हो गए. I'm left with the top part. I'm gonna divide the hair into two parts. I will not curl my hair again. My goodness, this is tough. But the result, like, it's worth it. Try to go as close as possible to the root, and then just keep piecing and piecing and piecing. My technique to actually a flop technique. Oh shit, no. Oh my goodness, this hurts. The top part you have to go as close as possible to the root. नहीं तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Okay. Ow. See, you should never try to curl your hair, like especially this chopstick curl alone by yourself. No. I need to make food for myself as well. So fine. Be safe, okay? Okay, my entire body is paining. Don't curl your hair, don't. मेरी मत मारी गई. मैं बीप हूँ जो मैं यहाँ आया. मैंने कर्ल करने का सोचा. This is more like a roast and a comedy and a whatnot video than a tutorial. Recommend you to use. Yes, front का थोड़ा सा अच्छे से करते हैं. And this is अच्छा. मैंने मिस्टर एंड मिसेस मूवी अगर आपने देखी है, आई एम लुकिंग लाइक संजना.
Stop it. Get some help.
यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. हाँ, I look like Kangna Ranaut now. Teddy Big Ben, Pura London Tumakda. Let's be like this. Let's bring the revolution, like Arthur straight and Arthur curls or I'm left with this portion. I look like a virgin. These like the girls are nice, isn't it? ये वाला था not good. Such a lengthy process, man. It took me 1.5 hours, but this is the last one, and I'm so happy about it. Oh. This is what it looks like. See, I know I messed up here, but I look nice. So this is what it looks like, the entire thing. I honestly like ये साइड का कर्ल ज़्यादा because ये ज़्यादा manageable लग रहे हैं. ये वाला थोड़े से like for the sides and all थोड़े से वो लग रहे हैं. मैं एक बार बैक से भी दिखा देती हूँ. Wow. Just look at it. I feel like brave. Okay. So that is it with the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was more of like a fun sort of a video rather than being a tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you really did, then you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video with some more fun loving stuff. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.